Let me show you how fantastic this can opener is. I just got it because we had a terrible can opener, and if you know anything about can openers, you have them for life. But I finally got frustrated enough that I got a new one, and I went with this one for a lot of reasons. It has this great large ergonomic handle, bottle opener. It's very, very easy to spin, and on the end of the handle, it actually has these little openings so you could hook it and hang it if you want to. And then finally, it's really, really easy to open a can with it. The stainless steel spinner blades are so easy to cut in, and it's so smooth to spin. It feels really good in my hand, and I love that it comes in a lot of colors. So you can do something that's not as boring as me and go with something that's not just black. Go with the color that fits your style. My favorite part really is this oversized handle right here, as it is so easy to twist. And here's a close-up on those blades. You can see how sturdy they are. This is a really high quality can opener, and it's very similar to a big brand name can opener with some nice additions like the hooks at the end. Definitely love it.